Who would have thought? Cutting potatoes, which usually takes time with a knife, turns out it can be done lightning fast with used cans. I'll look for used cans, whatever's available. If there is, we will clean it first. Then after we clean it neatly, then take a marker to measure it. If it's like this, don't forget to take a knife. It's up to you how you want to cut it, as long as there's a hole. The important thing is that the ingredients are there. You must have this. Then file the can until it is really sharp. Then we bend the can. If it's like this, we file the bottom of the can. The tin file should look very, very sharp. Then we close the can as before. Then we cut the potatoes with a can that has been filed very sharply. Then we cut the potatoes with a can that has been filed very sharply. It's not just about speed, but also about how trash can be turned into a truly useful tool. If this video is useful for all of you, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.